Hello again. If you watched the previous video, the Hawks Learning Systems is a key component of passing this course because all the homework, quizzes, and exams will be housed right here. So if you click on Hawks Learning Systems on the left hand side, you're going to then click on to open in new tab. It's going to take you here to this login, and you have to create a new account. This is not going to, this is not already preset for you. It won't be the same as your Pierce login. So you're going to click on create an account. If you purchase the book and the access code or just the access code, you will have received a long code, and you're going to actually click on this first one right here that says I have an access code. If you did not, but you have ordered it, and you're still waiting for it, just click on the bottom where it says request temporary access. This will give you access for 3 weeks of the course. That's plenty of time to order the book now and receive it before it expires. After 3 weeks, it's going to expire, and this is a 14-week course, so you're going to need to purchase this Hawks Learning System along with the book or just the access code. So you type in your information. You're going to select the school, Pierce College. You're going to type in your email address. I recommend using your student email, or you can use your personal email. And then you click on Next Step. Once you get into Next Step, it's going to ask you what product you would like to configure. There's a drop down. Unfortunately, I can't show you this directly because I already have set up my account. But you'll see 3 options. You want to select the option that says Pre-Algebra and Introductory Algebra Edition 1 or First Edition. Then for the course, there's another drop down. You're going to select Math 010 NTS. And then for the professor, you're going to click the drop down and select John Mang. Once you select that, you should be able to complete this process of registering your account. And then you might have to confirm it using going to your email and confirming your account. But once you do that, you can log into your Hawks Learning account by signing in. And this is what you will see. You will see your course right here. And if you didn't buy the hard copy of the book or you don't want to use it, you can access the ebook by going to ebooks on the top section and clicking on launch. It will open up the book. If you haven't used ebooks before, you'll see there's different tools. There's ways to magnify the page. You can change the page by just typing it in on the top section. You also have this table of contents, so it gets you where you need to go. So you can play around with that if you decide to use the ebook. But going back to the Hawks Learning, I want to make sure you understand what you have to do each week. Let's go back to dashboard. And then you see right here there's assignments due. There's 32, but these are not all due right now. They all have different due dates. They're listed back on the Canvas portal. In the modules, it said which sections are due per week. But if you're not sure or if you forgot, you can always look right here at this whole list and look at the due dates. You can see when each assignment is due. Okay, this section is for Math 10 on the Monday night, so you'll see that this class is doing the assignment by January 26th. Yours will be different. I believe yours is on the 19th. So disregard what you can see on my page. You will see your specific dates for each assignment, quiz, exam, and you can go through these. And so if you go to 1.1 for this week, there's Learn, which is basically like reading through the textbook and learning the step-by-step how to solve these problems. Then Practice is giving you a chance to work these out. And a great feature is if you're not sure how to do it, go to Tutor, and it gives you step-by-step breakdown. If the breakdowns don't really make sense to you, just go to Solution and it gives you like a summary of how they broke things down. Okay? And to give you the correct answer as well. Now, if you are practicing for a while and you're doing pretty well on most of them, but you're just not doing well on a certain section, a great feature is you can skip. Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you right here on the bottom right, you have skip. You can skip through as many problems as you want until you get to a problem that you feel comfortable, that you don't feel comfortable with, and work on that one. Now, practice is good to prepare you for the certify. Certify is what you need to do to get credit for the homework assignment. As you can see, it says mastery 77%. What that really means is once you get 77% correct, let's say you got the first 10 correct, they might just certify you automatically and you get 100% for your homework that week. If you just barely got it, if you ran out, you see these hearts right here on the top right, if you lost all the hearts, then you will have to recertify. You got to try it again, do it all over again. But you get multiple chances, unlimited chances. It's just time consuming, so you want to make sure you practice so you have a pretty good handle before you try to certify. So like I was saying before, if you just made it, like if you had one strike left and you completed the whole thing, great, you still got 100%. So as long as you successfully certify, you get 100% for that homework, for that section, that week. Okay? And a quick little feature is if you get started but you can't finish it, just click on Save and End Certify and click on Save and Exit. You can always go back to it and it will start right back where you left off. Then you'll see in this top list right here, going back to the dashboard, the to-do list has everything from your Hawks assignments to your quizzes and exam. If you just want to isolate the quizzes and exams, they open up at certain times, so you can't access them early. But your Hawks assignments, you'll be able to kind of access them early if you would like to look ahead or practice before we get to that week.